And there it is. Nice. All right. Looks like we've done it. All objectives checked. I think we finally pulled it out, folks. Ladies, gentlemen, it looks like we've finally done it. End of day 6 rundown here on the Topstep 50K Trading Combine. This is Bullsihbear. Just look at those stats. Everything's checked off in the objectives, and we have our final day processed in the Topstep dashboard. Look at that. So from day 1 with $12.82 just to get the account started. We then had a rough second day where we did hit the daily loss limit. On the third day, we traded PPI data reaction candles, and this is where we kind of accidentally set the bar a little too high, getting above the 50% consistency rule. We had a day where we did 24.51.16, where we went over the 50% parameter. So that put us $1,902 extra that we had to make in the trading combine. So on the next day, we did pretty good. We actually hit the 1902, but the idea was to split that up between 2 days or more. I got to the trading profit with this particular day, but we only contributed $348 to the actual additional 1902. So trading that 1902 day didn't actually mean what I thought it meant. The next day we did a really good Friday. 1068 on the account got us really close to the extended profit target. Had $486 to make after that. So moving into today's final day, we did $490 in profit, completing the trading combine and being passed. In the bottom right hand corner, you could see our average profitability per trade was $22.30. Not bad. Average winning trade was $130.19. Winning trade percentage was 52%. Our reward to risk ratio was 1.63 to 1, so not bad. We're trying to stay up on the higher end of that. Average losing trade just under $80 at $79.85. The net P&L was $817.84. P&L high for the day was $1,114.35, and P&L low of the day was $258.21. Total contracts traded 162. Total fees and commissions $242.49. Total trades 36.67. The reason it's like that is because I did trade some micros in between all of the minis that I traded. Skipping over to the max consecutive win-loss trades was 5 wins, 4 losses in a row each. Average winning to losing duration was a minute and a minute, with some seconds to spare on each. So I was holding a little bit longer than I should have on the losers, and I was taking profits quickly on the winners. If I put in the dates for the total duration of the combine as I traded it from Monday last week to Monday today, November 20th being the final day, here are the results for the full lifespan of the evaluation. Feel free to pause the video and take a look at this in further depth. And as we are preparing this video for you, I actually got the email to activate my Express account. So we'll be doing that right after this trade recap. Let's get into it. So right out of the gate, this is pre-market. I find myself in a good position to take this short off of the highs and basically gets right into profits. A little bit of a drawback, but it does start to slide smooth and controlled. Start to trail our stops. Actually get up into the high 300s, almost tap 4, but get stopped out at 281. Moving along here, we hit the open at 8:30 Central, and the market goes full bull mode and just rapidly moves upwards. For some reason, I want to try a short and catch the volatility spike back down. Get stopped out a number of times here. This is the first, I believe, giving back some of my profits on the first trade, followed by an immediate second short attempt. Immediately stopped out for the most part. I think I actually moved that stop closer so I'm not getting nailed with the spikes upwards. I finally start to look at the ranges that I'm seeing here and realize if I'd have just tried it along, then this would probably work out in my favor. So here I go with a long. I take that. I'm re-entering right away. I'm pretty much getting all my profits almost immediately there. And as you saw, I was at 460 peak profits. So if I had done that right, I would have been one trade away from hitting profit target. I'm fast forwarding the rest of these for a while because on these next few trades, about 10 or 20 of them, as a matter of fact, the majority of the 36 trades that we had are just me trying to make what should have been one trade really easy. And it turned out to be really difficult because I kept giving it back at every turn in the market. I wasn't able to read the price action right away, and as you can see in the top there on the chart, I have way too many orders. So I'm actually noticing on Bookmap at this point in time that we are lingering next to the 16,000 level on NQ, huge level. And you can actually see that we broke down once we hit 2 points and a tick above and started to trend lower, dancing around that range in the lower half of the price action. The EMA is now resistance, but I continue to try and time tops and bottoms, and the P&L just continues to fluctuate throughout the rest of the morning. I finally collect myself and we figure out one good trade where I can get the P&L that I need to get through this trading combine. So we're watching this EMA, it continues to stay below, and we want to watch this break below. I take the short, and I actually get up into the 500s for profit. I don't actually manage to get my stop down there in time, but I do take profit with $5 or $6 left to make. I try to trade a few micros here and just ink my way up to 486 profit exactly. End up causing more trouble for myself, as I have been in the prior couple of trades, getting chopped up. So I want to avoid that. I'm trading 2 lots of MNQ. It's still not quite doing anything for me. I find one more trade short on NQ with 1 lot just to see if we can get back down below that EMA. I want to take this and just close out as soon as I see anything above 486, and there we have it. We've just done it. We've passed the trading combine for Topstep. Now we're going to move into the Express funded account. Well, there you have it, folks. That was the entire trading combine in 6 days. I did make it a little difficult on us when we had to add another $1,900 to the overall profit target, but you know what? It was an adventure. I really hope you enjoyed this video series, and stay tuned for the Apex and Take Profit Trader series, working our way to funded on those prop firm accounts. And then also, this one is now going to continue into a funded trading series where we can work our way to our first payout. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Bullsihbear, 23 Capital Trades. Peace out.